ARDL. We will be covering this model with EViews as well as with R, because all of you do not have EViews permanent version. It is temporary version for you. So I will be covering it with R also, so that if you want to apply this model NARDL, you may apply with R. Yes. What is NARDL? What is ARDL? Now, question from my side to you. Yes, participant. What is ARDL model? What is ARDL model? No. No one knows what is ARDL model. Yes. Sandeep, what is ARDL model? Am I audible or not?
Yes, ma'am, you are audible.
Ma'am, autoregressive distribution lag model.
Autoregressive distributed lag model. What does it tell us? What does it tell us? Yes.
Ma'am, it tries to establish the relationship between two or more variables in the form of OLS regression model and in the form of error correction models. And it functions on non-stationary series as well.
No. It functions, yes, you are right. But it tries to establish the relationship between dependent two or more variables and lags of these variables. Clear? Autoregressive
Yes,
means we are introducing lag as well. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Distributed lag means we are introducing lags of independent variable as well. Clear? Then what is this NARDL? We were talking about GJR model yesterday. In Garch model, we were talking about GJR model. What was that GJR model?
That model was precisely trying to trace the impact of news on any series.
Impact of positive and negative news on the series. Clear? Means whether positive and negative news have same impact on volatility or not. That was GJR model. Same thing is tested by eGarch model, and same thing is for mean equation. Same thing is measured by, same thing is tested by NARDL model. Clear? NARDL model tells us whether there is change, if change is positive or negative in independent variable. There is any change in the relationship when change in the independent variable is positive or negative. My point is clear or not? Means if change is positive, then what will be the impact on dependent variable? And if change is negative, what will be the impact on dependent variable? Point is clear or not? Means if GDP increases, what will be the impact on real consumption? If GDP decreases, what will be the impact on real consumption or disposable income? If disposable income increases, what is the impact on dependent variable? And if it decreases, we were in simple ARDL model, we were talking about 1 unit change in independent variable impacts so much change in the dependent variable. That was or not? What is this regression? Simple regression. How do we interpret simple regression? Yes. Yes, participant.
Ma'am, simply
Yes.
a unit change in independent variable, how can impact the dependent variable? In how much magnitude it affect the dependent variable? This is what
Right.
regression talks about.
Right. Who has responded to my question?
Ma'am, Priyank.
Priyank. Okay. Whether we are saying that if this independent variable increases or decreases, no, we are just saying 1 unit change in independent variable impacts so much to the dependent variable. It is, yes, participants.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What is?
It is ARDL model, ma'am.
No, in simple regression also. What does we say? I am sharing my screen. My screen is visible. My screen is visible. It's a word
Yes,
file.
Yes, ma'am.
Y is
Yes,
equal
ma'am.
to
Yes.
Yes.
y is equal to a plus bx plus u. How do we interpret it? That 1 unit change in x impacts b units in y. Clear? It is the interpretation or not? Am I right or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Are we saying that this change is positive or negative? Means
No,
1
ma'am.
unit increase in x or 1 unit decrease in x. Are we talking about it? No, we are not talking about it. We are talking about just a change, 1 unit change in x impacts so much change in b units change in y. Simple. We are not saying, Urvashi ma'am, people are waiting in the lobby. Yes.
Ma'am,
We are
but
not
there is a
saying that.
plus sign.
We are
Excuse
not
me.
saying that it is positive change or negative change. Means 1 unit increase in x unit or 1 unit decrease in x unit. My point is clear or not?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes. Now, this relationship, whether with the increasing values in x, what will be the impact on y, and with decreasing values of y, x, what will be the impact on y? It is measured with the help of NARDL model. Point is clear? Point is clear or not?
मैम एक बार और रिपीट
Yes,
कीजिए
ma'am.
प्लीज.
Yes, ma'am.
देखो क्या है NARDL मॉडल. जैसे हम न्यूज इम्पैक्ट की कल बात कर रहे थे. What was that? Positive news has more impact on the volatility or negative news has more impact on the volatility, or there is no difference whether news is positive or negative. News is there, there will be impact on volatility. Clear? Clear?
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Means whether it is positive news or negative news, it has same impact. Then it is symmetric. And if positive news and negative news have different impact, then it is asymmetric. Clear?
Yes,
Clear?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
This was yesterday's question. Now, this was for volatility, means for variance equation. For mean equation, how can we measure this? With the help of NARDL model means if units are increasing, if X values are increasing, what is the impact on Y? And if X values are decreasing, what is the impact on Y? I think my point is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Clear? It is measured with the help of NARDL model. Clear?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
NARDL model measures the impact of increasing values of X and decreasing values of X on Y. Clear? Means if value increases, X value increase, if GDP increases, what will be the impact on Y? If GDP decreases, what will be the impact on Y? GDP generally related to, maybe related to unemployment, maybe
Yes,
or
ma'am.
not.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What will be the impact on unemployment if GDP increases, and the impact will be same if GDP decreases or not? Clear? I think now
Yes,
my
ma'am.
point is clear. Yes. It
Excuse me,
is,
ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
sorry. Yes, yes.
Ma'am, if it is saying that it is non-linear, but non-linear can also have a negative as well as the positive relation. Linear relationship can also be negative and positive. Then how come this is telling us if one is increasing and if independent variable is increasing, then what will be the change on the dependent variable? It is not about positive or negative. Non-linear is about the whether the curve is like logarithmic or something. How come this is telling us the change? Because if it, even if it has the linear
Then
relationship,
what do you want to say? We will be measuring without increasing, decreasing effect, as well as increasing and decreasing effect. Clear?
no, ma'am. It is if this model is saying non-linear,
Yeah.
right? N is non-linear.
Right.
Linear means
Actually, this model is not non-linear. Non-linear model is when we have relationship like this plus C
square, cx
X
square,
square,
and yes.
CX square. Yes, exponential relation. Yes, it is non-linear model. Clear? It is very simple. It is very simple to, sorry. It is very simple to model in eViews. Just write this model in eViews and eViews will give you results. Clear? Clear? I know it is non-linear. I know this model. I am showing my screen is visible.
Yes, ma'am.
I know this model is non-linear, but with ARDL model, I will be touching this model also in eViews. Clear? But NARDL, the persons who researched this model, they gave the name non-linear autoregressive distributed lag model. Clear? Means that model is also included in non-linear category. This is non-linear. It is very simple. Let's write this model in eViews and yes, open this food expenditure with eViews 12. Finish. No. This has two variables. This file has two variables: food
Ma'am, screen is not
or
visible.
food import and inflation. Impact of inflation on food, I think it is import. Then go to quick estimate equation. Food change.
What file is
Eview's window is
visible?
not
मैम
visible,
स्क्रीन
ma'am.
विजिबल नहीं है आपकी.
My screen
अभी
is
भी वो
not visible.
नहीं मैम, अभी भी वो वर्ड फाइल ही दिखा रहा है.
Okay, just wait. Actually, today I I didn't share my whole screen. It was not possible for me. Yes, I think it is visible now.
Yes,
Or
ma'am.
not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Clear? Yes. The difference is only this: when we apply linear model, C space, food space C space inflation, INF. Okay, we write the equation like this. But if we are going to write non-linear equation, we have to put the sign is equal to C1, sorry, it is C1 bracket close. Why it is not? Maybe numerical. Okay, C1 plus C2 into, it was inflation, INF plus C3 into inflation. This I was going to cover in the end because my main purpose was,
Ma'am, please zoom the equation.
yes,
Ma'am, please
yes,
zoom it. Zoom कर दीजिए ma'am, please equation को. It's
sir.
not visible.
Now it is visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Clear. Food is equal to C1 plus C2, C1 plus C2 into inflation plus C3 into inflation square. I think it is not written properly. It is not written properly. Okay. This is how we write the equation, non-linear equation. And if we write this equation, it will give us the results. There is some problem. I don't know what is the problem. Let me check what is the problem. Yes, it has given the results. Clear? Clear or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, there was some problem in writing the equation. What was the problem? I think C1, C2 were not there. Let me check and revert back. But it is very simple to estimate non-linear equation in EViews. Clear? Clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
That is
Yes,
why I dropped this topic for the last. My main purpose was to cover non-linear. Clear? Non-linear ARDL model.
Okay,
Clear
ma'am.
or not? What is non-linear ARDL model? View, estimate equation. Food expenditure depends on inflation rate. You don't have Excel file. You don't
No,
have
ma'am.
Excel file, only R file of this. Yes,
Yes,
how
Yes,
to
ma'am.
convert the yes, let me share with you the Excel file so that you all may work with me. I converted that same file to Excel. I'll be telling you how to convert the R file to Excel file. Simple steps are there. But if we have time. Till then, let me do quick estimate equation. Food space C space inflation. Changing it to ARDL. Okay. It is simple ARDL. I'm sharing the file with you, food expenditure. Yes, download this and try to, sorry, I think it has been posted. Yes, download the file and try to practice with me. It was ARDL model. One thing we didn't check in our linear regression as well as in ARDL, and we did a big mistake. It was view stability diagnostic. View stability diagnostic. Clear? We must have checked it. Why we should have checked it? To check whether the relationship has been changed over time or not. Clear? Means relationship is stable throughout the sample period or not. I think my point is clear. We must have checked for ARDL model as well as our linear regression whether this has been changed or not. View stability diagnostic on the equation window, recursive estimates, Q-sum test. What is this Q-sum test? What is recursive residuals? In recursive residuals, E-views starts with a small sample, means with subsample. Starts with subsample, then add the next data point in the equation, then recalculates it, then adds the other data point, next data point, and then calculates the recursive residuals. I think my point is clear. Clear or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, these are the bounds. What is recursive? I am repeating. View stability diagnostic, recursive estimates, Q-sum test. It gives the graph. What are recursive? It gives the graph of recursive residuals. What are recursive residuals? Recursive residuals means whether relationship is, it calculates equation with the help of a subsample. Then going on adding more data points in the equation and re-estimates the equation. Clear? So many times it re-estimates the equation and then calculates the residuals. Clear? Q-sum test.
Ma'am,
Yes.
please explain recursive residuals once. What
are
is the
recursive
meaning?
residuals?
What are recursive residuals?
Yes. Sorry. What are recursive residuals? Recursive residual. E-views starts with, let me write recursive residuals. E-views starts with a subsample. Clear? Subsample of data and estimates equation. Clear?
Yes, ma'am. I was trying
Yes.
to ask
Then
the meaning
clear?
of recursive residuals.
Let me complete. Saves the residuals. Then next step, adds next data point and re-estimates the equation. Then saves the next residual. I think then it re-estimates by including the including one more data point and estimate the saves the residual, and these residuals are plotted with the help of QSUM graph. Clear? Clear or not? These are
Yes,
recursive
ma'am.
residuals, and
Yes,
these
ma'am.
recursive residuals are presented in the QSUM test. QSUM test tells us whether relationship has changed over time or not. QSUM test is only applicable in time series, or it is applicable in cross-sectional data also if that data is ordered on the basis of some criteria. Clear? Because time series data is ordered on the basis of time. If we order our cross-sectional data on some criteria, then we may apply QSUM test. Clear or not? What does it tell? Whether relationship has changed over time or not. Whether relationship has changed over time or not. Because these are the bounds. Red dotted lines are the bounds. And QSUM is crossing this line. QSUM is crossing this line. That means relationship has changed over time. This relationship was different before this due date and different after this due date. Means there is a break point on this particular date. I think my point is clear.
Ma'am, this is the relationship of the residuals.
No. Relationships of the variables. We are testing this on the basis of residuals, but it is the relationship between variables. My point is clear or not? QSUM टेस्ट क्या टेस्ट करता है? ये टेस्ट करता है कि रिलेशनशिप इज स्टेबल ओवर टाइम और नॉट, वेदर रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन वेरिएबल्स हैज चेंज और नॉट. What did you check in these with the help of these residual diagnostic? Correlogram, QStat, correlogram. Why did you check residuals? Because we decided on the basis of residuals whether our equation is fit or not. Clear? Clear?
Yes.
In the same way, we decide on the basis of residuals whether our relationship is stable over time or not. But it is relationship. Clear? Relationship of dependent and independent variable. Clear?
It is more like that significance level as well as the confidence level, right? It tells us the same thing, but at the same time.
I'm not getting your question. Please slow down your speed.
I mean, it is like, we check the confidence level as well as the significance level. So we are checking with the help of the residuals that whether the relationship is there or not.
We are checking with the help of residuals, with the help of QSUM test, whether the relationship has changed over time or not. A simple question.
And these bounds are for significance level, and
these bounds are you are diverting me from the main topic. Bounds are decided on the basis of what? Bounds are different for 1% significance level, different for 5% significance level, different for 10% significance level. Bounds are always based on significance level. Bounds are always based on significance level. These are bounds on the basis of 5% significance. Clear? Yes.
Ma'am, now how can we diagnose that relationship has changed? Because if we see the actual data line, it is already following the same direction. It is going downwards. So how we can say that relationship whether has changed or not?
The relationship has changed. It is the test. On the basis of this test, we can say the relationship has changed on this particular point. where it crossed the bound, lower bound or upper bound.
But ma'am, direction is not changed. Direction is also
We
in
are
negative.
not interested with the direction. We want our relationship. We want to check whether our relationship is same or not. Clear?
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Yes. What to do if there is an outlier? What to do? What do you do when there is an outlier?
We try to remove the outliers.
No, not good. We have an option to incorporate the outlier in our equation. Leave it. It will be some basic econometric workshop. I'll be touching these points. Otherwise, people will say that it was advanced econometrics workshop and ma'am didn't touch the advanced topics. Yes, I'll be discussing these points on Monday when I'll be taking the extra session. Clear? You note down these all points. I'll be discussing these points on Monday when I'll be taking the extra session for learners. Clear? Yes. Now relationship was changed. I think. Sorry, I didn't estimate equation. It was food space C space inflation. Then I change the model to ARDL model. Okay. Yes, selection model is 1-1 and view stability diagnostic. Stability diagnostic, simply it is telling us whether our model is stable or not. Clear? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Simple. On the basis of stability. Yes, it has changed here. It has changed in 1978. Data is quarterly or yearly? It is yearly.
Yearly.
The relationship has changed in 1978. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Sorry. So I'll be creating dummy variable. Yes, it is 1962 to 2015, 54 observation. I am creating dummy variable. Means if if our data point is 1978 up to 1978, create a dummy variable 0, and if it is greater than 1978, then it should be 1. It is dummy variable. I am creating a dummy variable on the basis of generate. Go to generate. Give the series name. Generally, I work with break. Break is equal to at the rate. At the rate. Recode within bracket. At the rate means we are recoding the data on the basis of date. We are recording the data on the basis of date. If date value is greater than it was 1978. 1978.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Comma, sorry. Comma 1, comma 0 means we are generating a variable break on the basis we are recording the data. Break is equal to recode our data. Recode on the basis of what? We may recode on the basis of other values also, but we are recoding at the rate of date. And in date, generally we prefer record function. On the basis of date, what you should do? If date value is greater than, there should be date value, DATE value, VAL. If date value is greater than 1978, then it should be 1, otherwise 0. Yes, let's check. Its break up to 1978, it is 0, and after this, it is 1. My point is clear? My
Yes,
point
Yes,
is
ma'am.
clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, it is showing us that you have created a variable break on the basis of an equation. Break is equal to recode at on the basis of date. If date value is greater than 1978, then it is 1, otherwise 0. Yes, we will be introducing this variable in our model. Clear? Quick
Yes, ma'am.
estimate equation. Food space C space inflation space, no, nothing. ARDL. Yes, it should be food space C. Where is C? Food space C. It should be introduced as fixed variable or not, as fixed regressor or not. Someone was talking
Fixed
about
regressor,
fixed
ma'am.
regressor. This break is fixed regressor. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. If we are introducing break, then we should drop C, estimate equation. Otherwise, there will be singular matrix, means there are two variables which have perfect linear relationship. Yes. This is the relationship break minus break. See, the break is significant. It is significant or not?
Yes, ma'am. It is
Yes, ma'am.
significant.
Significant.
Yes, it is significant. Means it is telling us that relationship has changed over time. Clear? What was the
Yes,
relationship
ma'am.
before 1978? It has changed over time. Clear? If average food expenditure were 7.10 before 1978, now these are just like 0. It is not food expenditure, it is food import. Clear? It is food
Yes,
import,
ma'am.
Indian food import. This data is Indian food import, and I have downloaded this data from our website. Clear? From NARDL model, NARDL code of our website. Clear? It is
Yes, ma'am.
import, means food import is impacted by inflation, and relationship is food import depends on its previous value -1 as well as inflation. Inflation, current year inflation is not significant, but previous period inflation is significant. Clear? This
Yes,
inflation
ma'am.
is previous period, and this break means this relationship has changed. See, it was food expenditure was averagely, without considering the inflation, it was averagely 7, but it is negative, means rather than importing the food on the basis of inflation, we exported the food. My point is clear or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, now it is clear. View residual diagnostic, you should check residual diagnostics. Okay, आपको चेक करने चाहिए, because if there are residual, no, generally autoregressive has been parallelogram QSTAT. It has been accounted for with the help of ARDL model, but we should check heteroscedasticity. Okay, there is null hypothesis was homoscedasticity, and this has been changed. This has been rejected on the basis of FSTAT as well as on the basis of chi-square. So what should we do? What should we do? What is the option? Go for Garch model? No.
White.
Garch model is not applicable here. We will be changing the
White.
coefficient covariance matrix to white. Yes. The one participant was telling this, that change is to white. Now the results, we may interpret these results. Clear or not? Now you may interpret these results because our model
Yes,
is
ma'am.
stable, our model is has accounted for autocorrelation, autoregression, our model has accounted for heteroscedasticity. Clear? Clear?
Yes,
Now,
ma'am.
Yes,
the
ma'am.
main topic. Now the main topic. Quick. Sorry. Go to add-ins. Go to add-ins. More. There is an ARDL. Means convert this ARDL to. Is it visible or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What did I do? After estimating ARDL model, testing for heteroscedasticity, testing for autocorrelation, testing for break, means testing for stability. Now I am going to add in. There in the add-ins, I have make non-linear ARDL. If you don't have, you should add-ins, download add-ins or manage add-ins. Then go to this. These are available from this NARDL and install. Clear? I have already installed, so I am not going to waste the time. More, make non-linear ARDL. Sorry, I have to write the, it was applicable before, but now on this window, I have to go to view, label. This label attribute, I am not able to recall. Yes, label is what value we have to check. I think it is inflation. Go to add-ins, more, make NARDL. The program is encrypted because I am using, yes, because I am using 12th version. The same window, the same if I open with 9th, it works. Yes. Because I have full version. 9th version is full version. I have full 9th version. Food expenditure. Go to quick. Oh, I have to generate same series break. Break is equal to @recode within bracket on the basis of date. And what should you do? If date value is greater than, on the basis of date, if date value is greater than 1978, then it should be 1. Otherwise 0. Okay. @recode within bracket @ date is greater than at the rate date value within bracket.
Ma'am, DETE. Date value mean DETE.
Okay, DATE. Date. Okay. Break, go to quick, estimate equation. Yes, it is food space INF. Changing this to ARDL. Yes, estimate options white. Okay. Let's hope it works. No. I have to go to view, label, description. Label is INF. Let's hope it works now. No threshold variable is, it is threshold variable. Inflation is threshold variable. INF, addings, more, make. It is information. Okay, let me recall it. Until then, let's work with R. Go to file, export. Okay. I want to add this breakpoint in this file, food expenditure. I'll be telling you before 5:30. I'm going to add this to Excel file. Yes, next one is break. Or let's do with this file. I shared with you R data file. Open this file with R. File, open file. Name of the file was FOD. Desktop, it is FOD. Okay. Yes. FOD, this data file. You all have opened this data file, FOD.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now, commands are NARD. You have installed the package NARD, NARDL.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Let me show you the command for NARDL. Yes. Command is, I worked with a green file and command was, it is today's command. Step 1. First of all, we have to specify our model. Give your model name, model 10, model NARDL or any other. Even you may give the name regression, LS, anything. Not related to command is equal to NARDL. Clear? Under NARDL package, we have NARDL, real consumption, regress real consumption on real DPI. Data is in green because I worked with green data, comma, IC, information criteria, it is DIC, maximum lag 4, graph true. Graph true means means we want graph. Clear? QSUM graph. We want QSUM graph. Graph false means we don't want QSUM graph. Clear? Case 3. Case 1, 2 and 4 are not supported. Case 3 is for just like unconditional, unrestricted intercept and unrestricted trend. Means we don't know what is trend value, what is, we are not putting any restrictions on mean value intercept as well as on trend. Clear? After specifying your model, step 2 will be get the summary of this model. Clear? Summary of this model. It will tell you the summary. After getting the summary, we may calculate PSS bound. PSS bound is Pearson, Shin and Smith. The persons who gave the model. Pearson, Shin and Smith, the persons who gave the model, their statistics, whether NARDL is applicable or not. Clear? Command is, it is under NARDL package, PSS bound. PSS means Pearson, Shin and Smith. Within bracket case, which case? Means it is model 10's case. FStat, we need FStat, it is in model 10 FStat. Observation, how many observation you need? Take all these values. Case, FStat, model 10 and number of variables. All these value you take from our model, which we have already specified. Point is clear? Yes, let's do this. NARDL under why it has not under NARDL package. We have NARDL. Clear? Under NARDL package, we have NARDL. We have to specify, first of all, what? See, it is showing. You have to specify formula. Then, where is your data? Then, what is your information criteria? On the basis of BIC or on the basis of AIC? You want to select on the basis of AIC or on the basis of BIC. Then maximum lag, graph false or graph true, case, we are going to use the case 3. Clear? Yes, NARDL. First of all, our formula. Our formula is food INF. Clear? Then our data is in, our file name is FOD, comma. Then next is IC. Our information criteria is, which criteria we are going to use is AIC. We may go with AIC as well as with BIC. Then we have to specify maximum lag. Maximum lag. It is annual data, maximum lag 4 sufficient. Then graph. Graph is equal to capital letters true. Then case, which case to use? Sorry, there should be after true, there should be comma. Case, case is equal to C. It is telling us case C. It is case 3 for unrestricted intercept and known trend. And for case 5 is for unrestricted intercept and unrestricted trend. 1 to 4 are not supported. R is telling us this. Yes. It has given us the stat as well as Q sum square test. It is telling us that relationship has changed over time. It is not stable. Yes. But we committed the mistake. We didn't give so many results are there. We didn't give our model a name. So I am copying this command and giving this a name. I am giving this a name model dice is equal to enter. Now it's not giving us the results. We are telling it give the summary of our model, and our model name is model dice. Yes. Pause. We need only summary. Clear? Yes. These are the results. It is possible to copy the results. I think let me copy it and show you on Word file. Yes. These are the results of NARDL model. It is constant. This one is estimate. This one is standard error. This one is p-value, and this one is p-value. Clear? On the basis of p-value, we may say that food expenditure is related to its previous value. Clear? It is for P. What is this P? In R, C. This P, inflation minus P, inflation minus P minus 1, inflation minus P minus 2, inflation minus P minus 3, inflation minus P minus 4, and inflation minus N. What are these P and N?
Lags,
These
ma'am.
P and N are positive and negative. Clear? P and
Yes, ma'am.
N. 1, 2, 3, 4 are lags, but P and N are positive and negative values. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes. Now you interpret this result. Yes. Interpret these results. What do you say?
Negative impact is
How will you
insignificant.
interpret these results?
Ma'am, inflation has negative impact on the food.
Yes, this positive and negative, these values, minus, plus, only significant values, this. How will you interpret this? It is significant only. How will you interpret this? What is the positive relationship? And what is the negative relationship?
Ma'am, significant positive relationship at lag 1 and non-significant negative relationship.
What is this positive and negative relationship? My question is, what is this positive and negative relationship?
With the increase in the inflation, there is
Yeah,
increase in the
yeah.
food
It is the
import or
point.
what?
It is the point I want to discuss. Yes. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
With
Repeat
the
your
increase in the
response.
inflation, there has been increase in the food import. Food import
Yes.
data we have taken.
Why it is so? Can you correlate this with theory?
Inflation has led to the increase in the inflation has led to the increase in the food import. That's what,
Yes.
ma'am, you are asking.
Clear? Yes. If the relationship is negative, then
That means increase in the
if the
inflation has reduced
relationship is
the
negative,
increase in the inflation has reduced the food import.
ठीक है.
Or it
Clear?
may other way around as well. I mean, that's all.
ठीक है. Yes. Point is clear to everyone or not? Let's do this
Yes, ma'am.
with, let's do this same equation. The same with green. Clear? GDP and yes, it's also showing that relationship has changed. So we should enter the breakpoint as the fixed regressor in the equation. Clear? We will be touching this if possible day after tomorrow, because we have to cover the cover this topic with the EVs also. Now I recalled what to do. It was not label, it was a symmetric variables. Yes, in ARDL PSS bound test, we may check PSS bounds. And what is for PSS bound test? This is PSS bound case from model, this case from this, abstract from this, abstract from observations from this model, and K from this model. All the values you get it from our model. Yes, PSS bound. First thing we have to, for PSS bound, we have to specify the case. Case is equal to our equation. What is our equation name? I have given the name model dice. MODEL D model dice. Clear? Then this dollar sign. What will case from this case? Clear? Then next thing we have to specify fstat. Fstat is equal to our model name, MODEL model dice. From model dice you may take fstat. Then next is observations. Observations is equal to, again from model dice you may take observations. And observation, number of observation. Then K means number of regressors is equal to, from model dice dollar symbol and then K. Yes. It has given the this value. F value is fstat, calculated fstat is 3.844. Clear? And it is significant or not on the basis of bounds test. What do you say? It is significant or not? It is significant
Ma'am,
or not?
significant.
significant on only on 10%.
5%.
On
Not on
10%.
5%.
10%.
Not
ma'am.
5% because in
Ma'am,
5% case
it is in the range.
not crossing the, it is not higher than the upper bound. Clear?
Only for
It
10% it is significant.
Yes, it is significant at 10% level, but not significant at 5% level. Clear? Yes.
Yes.
Now let's do the same thing. Here I have to write asymmetric variable ASY VARS. Which asymmetric variables are you going to check? Are independent asymmetric variable. Then go to more, make known. Yes, it has made it non-linear. Clear? Food -1, food -2. See, this is positive and this is negative. Neither positive is significant nor negative is significant. Means it doesn't matter whether our independent variable inflation is increasing or decreasing. Why these are the results are not same with R and with EBU? What is the reason? What is the reason results are not same? Yes.
Here we have used white heteroscedastic consistent standard array.
Another thing, even coefficients are not same. Yes. Any other?
Ma'am, there we have taken case 3.
No. Same case is there. We have introduced break here. Clear?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, but we didn't introduce break in R. Point is clear? Means if relationship has changed and we do not account for that change in relationship, then results will be totally different. If you do not introduce break in the model, the results will be different. Clear? You may check, results
Yes,
will
ma'am.
be. Then again add-ins, more.
Ma'am, if a break is insignificant, then results will be same.
Yes, if break is insignificant, then results will be same. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
If break is insignificant, then results will be. See, it is showing us these are multipliers for inflation on the basis of time, and these are multiplier for minus inflation. This is asymmetric plot. Yes. What was our next topic for today? We have touched NARDL and non-linear models. Yes, we have eViews file. We have eViews help for all of you. Whenever you face any type of problem, go to eViews help. Clear? We have eViews help, even eViews documents, PDF, user guide 1, user guide 2. These non-linear models are clearly mentioned in chapter 29. You will note, no, it is autoregressive, distributed lag, non-linear. Non-linear model. See, non-linear least square. It is in chapter 20. See, it is very easy to do non-linear least square equation, estimate least square regression with eViews. Steps are These are given in C. Write this equation. Yes, what are this C1, C2? I will be telling you. See, write this equation and then go to option, change the option. Every step I am teaching you, every step is given in eViews software itself. Go to help, go to online eViews help. If you will check non-linear models, non-linear regression, it will give you all the explanation with screenshots. Clear? Though you have to attend some basic workshop, or sometimes if you don't have time, you have to attend to get more clarity, advanced workshop. But if you want to learn eViews or R yourself, it is not so much difficult to learn. Clear? See, on eViews help, online help, you may go help topics, or you may select from here ARDL. Let me see. Yeah, it will tell you all about ARDL, but not NARDL. Why not NARDL? Because it is adding. It doesn't show much about addings. Yes, see, estimating ARDL model in eViews help topics. See, it is giving you all the steps with screenshots. Clear? Clear? One more thing I want to tell you, how will you write this equation in your research paper? View, on the equation window, go to view and representation. This is the equation. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Equation is
Yes,
clear or
ma'am.
not? Go to view on the equation window, go to view and representation. This is equation. You have applied ARDL, covariance matrix is white, and this was your equation. You have introduced break. This was your basic equation, and this was with the, this equation is when coefficients are there. Clear? Clear, participants?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now let me touch theoretically quantile regression. Practically we will be doing with R as well as with eViews day after tomorrow. Clear? But theoretically I'll be telling you I am telling you what is quantile regression. We were seeing that relationship has changed. My base book, Introductory Econometric for Finance by Chris Brooks, second edition is available, third edition is available online, but not the fourth edition. महंगा भी है, 5,000 की खरीदी मैंने बुक. वो अलग चीज है कि मुझे फ्री मिल गई, क्योंकि टाइम से नहीं मिली तो मैंने अमेज़न को कहा कि टाइम से नहीं मिली मेरे को बुक, और उन्होंने मेरी पेमेंट वापस कर दी. मतलब मैंने उनको कहा कि आप पेमेंट रखिए, बट वो कहते हैं कि नहीं, हमारा फॉल्ट है, आपको टाइम पर नहीं मिली है तो हम आपको फ्री देंगे. बट आई पेड, देन आई गॉट रिफंड. यस, एग्जाम्पल दिया इसने कि आप ये देखना चाहते हैं कि कोई रेस्ट्रिक्शन आपने लगाई, ठीक है, कोई रेस्ट्रिक्शन आपने लगाई, उस रेस्ट्रिक्शन का क्या इम्पैक्ट हुआ. स्टार्टिंग में तो वो रेस्ट्रिक्शन क्या हो सकती है, समवट बेटर हो सकती है, लेकिन धीरे धीरे वो रेस्ट्रिक्शन क्या हो जाएगी, मे बी इम्पैक्ट उसका डिफरेंट हो. मीन्स स्टार्टिंग में उसका पॉजिटिव इम्पैक्ट हो एंड देन लास्ट में जाके उसका नेगेटिव इम्पैक्ट हो जाए. तो ये रिलेशनशिप कैसी हो गई, नॉन लीनियर रिलेशनशिप हो गई.
Yes, ma'am.
आपको कर्व कैसा मिलेगा, आपको कर्व कैसा मिलेगा, यू शेप, इधर It will be U, it will be reverse U.
Else.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, this will be the relationship. Means you have to apply non-linear regression. Clear? You want to
Yes,
check
ma'am.
whether the relationship is linear or not linear. But quantile regression tells us about this. Just like we were talking about recursive regression. What was recursive regression? Yes, it has given the example of, Brooks has given the example of restrictions on banks, restrictions on banks, restrictions on banks. What is the impact of restrictions on banks on GDP? It may be positive in the beginning, then flat, then negative. Clear? So rather than applying the non-linear regression, you may go for quantile regression. What are quantiles? What is median? What is median?
Second quantile.
Second quantile. Very good. Median divides the series into two parts. Median divides the series into two parts, two equal parts. Lower values are on the left side and upper values are on the right side. Clear? Open values are on the left side and lower values are on the left side and upper values are on the right side. Then what are quantiles? Quantiles divide the whole sample into four parts. Clear? Quantiles into four parts. Clear? Means 25% in the beginning, then next 25% means 50%, then next 25% and then next 25%. My point is clear or not? What are quantiles?
Clear, ma'am.
Quantiles
Yes, ma'am. Clear.
divide whole sample into four parts. First part, second part, third part, fourth part. All parts have equal values of 25%. Clear? Then what are percentiles?
Dividing
Dividing 10 parts.
unequal parts.
Yes, divided into percentile. Deciles divide into 10 parts.
Percentile divides into 100 parts.
Clear? So for quantile regression, quantile tells us whether the relationship has changed over time or not. Clear? The same thing.
Yes.
That was with the help of Q-sum test. Means relationship has changed. That is why we introduced break. But what is the impact on relationship? Clear? It was on the basis of break value, but that was 1 point. That was 1 point estimate. But in quantile regression, we may check what was the relationship in first 10% of data, then in 20% of data, then 30%, then 40%, then 50, 60, these type. Clear? Or if we estimate only 4 quantiles, then in first 25% of data, then first 50% of data, first 75% of data, and in total data. Means it will be telling us whether the relationship is changed or not. And if it is changed, what is the change in relationship? What are now the values of coefficients of independent variable? My point is clear? I'll be touching this
Yes, ma'am.
day after next day, day after tomorrow. Just 10 or 20 minutes topic, but I'll be, because time is not allowing me. Yes. Questions from your side? Participants, questions from your side?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, it's not directly related to the topic, but a query related to the research work I am conducting.
Okay.
May I ask?
Yes, you may ask.
Ma'am,
It will benefit the other participants also.
actually, ma'am, I was trying to apply vector error correction model.
Yes, it will be covered on Tuesday. Surely,
Okay, ma'am.
100%. Yes,
Okay,
you may
ma'am.
ask.
Okay.
You may ask.
Acha.
It is the
Ma'am.
topic of it. This topic will be covered. Vector
Hmm.
error correction model. But you may ask the question. Some of the participants that what
So,
to
ma'am,
do if there is endogeneity. Whose question was this? I will be responding to your question.